Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn IT with Venkat, and this is Dr. Venkatesan. In this video I am going to discuss about exploring IoT devices and how to register with the IoT server using CISCO Packet Tracer. Okay, and this is the Packet Tracer. I will go one by one by adding the devices and also how to configure it and how to register the IoT devices inside the IoT server. Okay, so for that, here we are going to create a topology. So click the router. So here I am adding my gateway. So this is going to be my gateway router, and followed by that I am going to have a switch. So you need for example I am going to have 3 switches. So use control key and select the switch and release the control, and you can put any number of times. So here I am adding 3 switches. Give escape. So this is switch 1, 2 and 3, and I am going to have a server which is going to my IoT server. So click the end device and here server. So this is going to be my server. So inside the server room I am going to add some IoT devices. For example, I am going to add temperature TMP. If you type TMP in the left bottom search, and first option we called it as temperature monitor. So here server room temperature monitor is going to be this one, and followed by that I am going to have a thermostat. So thermostat. So this is my thermostat, and this, so it depends on the conditions, it is going to make your room cool or heat. So this is going to be thermostat, and this is going to be temperature monitor, and this is going to be my IoT server. Okay, fine. And this side I am going to add another devices, IoT devices. Let it be door. So here I am having a door. Okay, door, and followed by that camera. So webcam which is attached to my door. So this is my camera module, and followed by that I am going to have a motion detector. So this is my motion detector. Okay, this motion detector is going to attach in my door. So if there is any motion detected, I want this camera to on. So that is what the script I am going to add it later. So motion detector. Okay, fine. So these are all the devices which I need it for my topology. And for example, if you want to monitor it remotely, you need a laptop or a computer. So for that also, end devices, here I am adding one laptop. Okay, and if you want a PC also. So this is my topology. I am going to give the connection. So click the connection and choose the automatic connection for fast. So control, first one automatic connection. So router to switch, switch to switch, this switch to this switch, and switch to door, switch to camera, switch to motion detector, and this switch to this switch, and switch to thermostat, temperature monitor and server, and these two let it be from this switch. Okay, that's it. Give escape. So this is my topology. Okay, now I am going to label it. So this router is going to have an IP address. For example, this network is 10.10.10.1 is going to be the router gateway IP address, /24 is my address. Okay, and then I am going to give the IP address of my server, which is 10.10.10.100 is my server IP /24. Okay, so go to your server, desktop, IP config, give the IP of your server 10.10.10.100. so /24, so 255.255.255.0, and gateway 10.10.10.1 is your gateway, which is here. Okay, later we will configure it. and DNS is also going to be same 10.10.10.100. same server is going to act as a DNS server also. And going to the services, this server is going to act as a IoT server. So here I am going to create a IoT service enable, so make the service enable. Okay, and go to desktop, and here you will have a IoT monitor, right? So click your IoT monitor. Here you have to give your IoT server IP address 10.10.10.100 is your server IP address. Let it be admin, or you can create any username password, but as of now no users. You can see it here in the IoT, there is no users here, right? So it is empty. We are going to create it now. So first you have to give your server IP and username password and click login. It will give you the error notification, wrong username password. So here it will ask you to sign up to create an account. So sign up. Here I am going to give it as admin as my password. So create. So once you have created, this is your home page. Okay, but no devices we registered in this server, so it is empty now. If you go to services and if you click IoT, now you can see admin registered. Like this you can create any number of accounts in your IoT registration server. As of now I have created only one user. Like this you can create any number of users. For example, logout, again here 10.10.10.100. so Vengat, if I want to create, just give it. So no username password exists for Vengat, so sign up again. So here Vengat, so create it. So this is my Vengat home page. Here also no devices. Okay, like this you can log out. If you go to services and if you go back to IoT, you can see here these two user accounts created, admin user account and the Vengat user account. Okay, now go to your router. Next step, go to your router, and this port is still in down mode, so I have to make it up. So go to CLI. So this is the first time I am booting my router, so give no command, no need to configure the initial configuration. So enable configure terminal. So interface FA0/0 IP address. What is the IP address? 10.10.10.1 is my IP address as per the topology we have created. So 255.255.255.0 is my subnet mask, and give no shutdown command. So once you have given no shutdown command, the port is up. You can see here green color. Okay, so exit, do right, fine. Now you have configured the gateway and we have configured the IoT server IP address. Now all these devices, end devices, should communicate with your network. So how it will be communicate with your network? We need IP address. So once all these devices get the IP address only, it will take part inside the network. So how these devices will get the IP address? We have to configure the DHCP. So here go to router. I am going to configure the DHCP service for this network. So IP DHCP, first excluded the used address. So I have used the address 10.10.10.1 which I have used already for this gateway. So I am excluding this, removing this IP from the DHCP service. Next, IP DHCP pool. I am giving my pool name as IoT. So you can give any name. Here I am creating this scenario for IoT. So I am giving the pool name as IoT. And network 10.10.10.0 is my network address. 255.255.255.0, and default router is your gateway. So 10.10.10.1 is my gateway, and DNS server 10.10.10.100 is your DNS server. So end WR. So now you have configured the DHCP. So now I am going to laptop, desktop, IP config, and I am going to check for my DHCP. Yes, I am getting the DHCP here, and going to this PC, desktop, and DHCP. Yes, I am receiving the IP details. Now for the end devices like this. Okay, go to the door. So once you click this IoT devices, these are all the IoT devices. So this door is having these 4 basic behavior. The door can be opened and closed, and the door is locked or unlocked. So these 4 are the basic operation of this door. And the same thing in my upcoming videos, I will access this door with the help of SBC and MCU later on. Okay, now I am going to register with the server only. Okay, see here, register with the server module. Okay, go to config. Okay, here you have a DHCP service, so click the DHCP service and just wait. Yes, it received the gateway and the DNS server, and I am going to register this door in my server. So once you got the IP address gateway and DNS server, move down. Here you have a IoT server, so click the remote server and give the IP address of your server. So 10.10.10.100 is my server IP, and I am using admin as my username and password. Before that, parallelly open your server, desktop, IoT monitor, and 10.10.10.100 admin, login into your account. See here, door connected here. See, it becomes refresh. Clear? So once you give your username, password, it connected to your account, admin account in your server machine. So your door now it is available in your server. So from here you can access your door to lock or unlock your doors. You can see here, see, if the person, this is a person, okay, who is standing in front of your door. If it is in green color, the door is unlock. That is why here it is blue color. Lock, if you click lock means, see, red color. Lock means this door can't be opened. So from your server module you can interact with your IoT devices. So here I am going to unlock it. Okay, later I will tell you how and all it will work. And same like this, go to your camera, config, DHCP request. So it received it. Go to IoT server, 10.10.10.100 admin and connect. So once you have clicked connect, it will change to refresh. Yes, refresh means now you can see the camera here. Okay, see, this is the camera module. Okay, now camera is off, so it is in black color. Okay, later I will tell you how to navigate it. And then go to your door, config, DHCP. Yes, I am receiving it. Remote server, 10.10.10.100 admin connect it. So my motion detector is connecting with my server. And go to thermostat, config, DHCP. Do it for all the IoT devices which you have chosen for this scenario. 100 admin connect. You can use any login. I have created 2 login. One is admin and another one is Vengat. You can use any login to connect it. Okay, and go to temperatures monitor, DHCP, and then remote server, 10.10.10.100 admin connect it. So all the IoT devices now registered with your server. So see, all the modules here registered. From here you can control your thermostat, and from here you can control you can see your server room temperature also. Okay, so these are all the devices which are registered with your IoT server. So this is in server now. Now I will tell you how to connect this server from another device. So here now I am going to use my laptop. Go to desktop, and in the desktop I am having IoT monitor here. So click your monitor, and here use your server IP address to log in into your server IoT account. So my server IP address is 10.10.10.100 and username is admin and my password is admin. Login. So now you are in your laptop but connected with your IoT server. So whatever the devices registered with server machine, you can see it, the door, camera, motion detector, thermostat and temperature, everything here you can control it. Okay, and you can have an access from laptop, similar like laptop, you can do it in the PC, mobile phone, anything. Okay, now I will tell you how to interact with the IoT devices. See, this is the door. As I told you, door is having 4 activity. You can open the door, close the door, and lock the door and unlock the doors. Okay, so this is the door. How I can check with the basic behavior means, click the alt key, hold the alt key and click the door. See, now door is open, and click again, now it is close. And how to unlock and lock, same alt key, hold it and click this person. If you click this person, the person is in red color means the door is locked. And if you hold alt key and click this person, now the person is green color, so now the door is unlocked but closed. Okay, if the door is unlocked and closed, the person can open it. See, the person can open it. But if you click this person, it is in red color, which means the door is locked. So if even now I am clicking this, but you can see the door not opening, which means the door is locked now. That is why the person is in red color. So this is the basic behavior of door. Now alt key, click the person, now it is green color, so door now closed but unlock. Okay, the camera module, see, alt key, always use alt key to examine the basic behavior. So alt key, just click your camera. See, this is the red color means the camera is on. You can see it in the server machine. Parallelly go to IoT monitor and door, for example. So here I am just opening the door, and see here I am going to lock it. So once I have given, see here lock. Okay, and then if I unlock this person, and see here unlock. Okay, and similarly camera, here I have clicked red color means, see, some person moving object is visible, which is in green color, which means that your camera is on. So alt key, camera, click it, the red light off. Okay, which means, see here it is in red color means camera is off here. Okay, which is in black color. And motion sensor, this is motion detector, which will detect the motion movement of any object in front of the door. So you have to hold alt key and just move your mouse, don't click it, just move your mouse. So once this will identify the motions over it, it will become red color. Okay, which means the motion detected, and the detector, that motion will be detected for 5 seconds. After that 5 seconds it will go back to off. See, now the red color off, which means motion go back to its normal stage. So again alt key, mouse movement, you can see that motion detected now. So based on this we are going to play with the register conditions. Okay, and this thermostat now, which is having two options, either it will give you cooling and also it will give you heating elements. So it will give both cool and heat. Based on my room temperature, I am going to make it whether to cool or heat. Okay, alt click, see, cool enabled, alt click, heat is enabled. So it will switch between cool and heat. Alt key, press it. Okay, this is just a monitor of your room temperature. It will give you what is your room temperature right now. Okay, so this is the general behavior of your topology and IoT devices. Now I am going to the router and desktop IoT monitor. Here I am going to write the conditions. So click the condition menu, here add. So for example here door safety is my first condition name. Okay, which is I am going to make it as door safety, and match, I am going to here create a condition for motion detector. If anybody is standing in front of my door, then motion detector will find out that, and immediately the camera module will on. Like that I have to set the condition. So motion detector, here on is true. On is true means motion detector is getting on. What I have to do, I have to make my camera on is true. Okay, So once if there is any motion detected, I have to make my camera on. Click the OK button and add again door safety for off. So now motion detector on is false. If there is no motion detected means I have to make my camera on is false. If there is no motion detector, no need to on your camera. So camera module is off when there is no motion detector. Click OK. And coming to this side, I am going to set the condition server room temperature. Okay, so here my temperature monitor temperature is greater than or equal to, for example, I am giving it as 25 degree, or let it be 23 degree. I am going to greater than 23 degree means I want to make my thermostat status to cooling. Okay, here you have many options. Here I am just setting to cool or heat. So if my room temperature is greater than 23, I am going to make it as cooling. Okay, add same like that server room temperature for heat. You can give any name. So here again temperature monitor temperature is less than 23. Okay, I am going to make my thermostat status to heat. So if it is less than 23, I want my room temperature to heat, and if it is greater than 23, I want my room temperature to cool. Okay, see, now once I have given this condition, my thermostat mode changed to heat because now the temperature is less than 23. So if it is less than 23, here you have given less than 23 means thermostat status to heat. So heating element is on here. Okay, and now we will check the motion detector. Okay, now you see my camera module is off, no red color here, and my motion detector is also off because no red color here. So look at my camera here and door here. Okay, now I am using my alt key and move my mouse over the motion detector. See, once I have given the motion detector, you can see here the camera module on, and you can see who is standing in front of your door. And if that person is your friend, you can do unlock here. If that person is unknown, for example, see again motion detector, you can see your door, and from this door you know who is standing in front of your door. If you want to lock it because that person is unknown means from here you can click the lock. So here you can observe the changes. Once I have given lock, the person becomes red color, which means this person can't open the door. Suppose if there is a motion and you are seeing your camera and you come to know that that person is very important person or your friend, you want to unlock your door, no need to go to the door and open it. From your server directly you can control it. So from here itself you can unlock your door. So you can see here the person changed to green color. Like this you can use this IoT devices for control small applications. This is I am doing it in the IoT server. Same thing, suppose if you are working in your laptop in your room, okay, somebody standing in front of your door, okay, now your camera becomes on. So from your laptop you can log in into your IoT server, and here is your camera and here is your door. So suppose the same scenario, if somebody is standing in front of your door, you can see that person in your camera from remotely from your server access through your laptop, and from here you can do lock or unlock. So you can decide it here. Okay, fine. This is about the simple example. Later I will do with more IoT devices and its behavior. Okay, this is registered with the server and using the network devices help here. So without these network devices and server help, we can also do all this automation by using the SBC and MCU. Later video I will upload that also. Thank you very much. Hope you all understand this video. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe for my channel for getting the updates of my new videos. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye, see you.